Now, the lubricator is used to lubricate the system. Lubricator is spray the oil. The oil is mingled with the hair. The hair is circulating through the system. The oil also circulating through the system. So, moving parts are lubricated. Then the FRL unit next with connected the flow control valve. Why we are connect the flow control valve between the FRL unit and direction control valve. In the between gap, the direction control valve, how much of pressure required through to operate the system. So flow control valve, this much of pressure to supply to the direction control valve. Here the flow control valve is attached with the between gap of the FRL unit and direction control valve. See what are the parts consist in the flow control valve. See this is a flow pipeline. The pipeline is connected to the right hand side. The right hand side is having one small box. So the flow line is connected to the box. The between area, see the line is below to the upper line. So in case the very much of pressure going to flow to the pipeline, that time the automatically the line is connected to the in and outside, so pressure is regulated. So the safety system also used by when the attached is the flow control valve. Sometimes the high pressure is going to the flow of pipeline, so the weak of the area busted or cracked. So we are attached the flow control valve to reduce the accident or damage the system. Next, the pipeline is connected to the P pressure port. The pressure port is connected to the exhaust side. So in our book, the diagram is the same diagram is in our book. See, the pressure port is going to the connected with the cylinder, that is called the exhaust port. So air is pressurized, air is going to inside the cylinder. That time, see the piston is going to forward direction, that is called extradation. So the piston is going to here, the pressurized air inside or allow the cylinder, so automatically the piston is going to left hand side. What is happening here? See, the inside of the cylinder occupy the air is automatically going to the reservoir. So reservoir is having for a 5/2 direction control valve. So same operation repeated, the piston is going to forward direction and reverse direction, or extradation and retardation, or to or flow motion. These all are word for technical name. See, very good. This is pneumatic system. In case the same circuit, in case the coming from question in hydraulic means the compressor inside the symbol of triangular is a ideal one. In case hydraulic means you dark the triangular, the same circuit draw. Okay, thank you student. Very useful for you. Once you study the meter in control circuit, double acting cylinder, the same circuit you draw for hydraulic or pneumatic. Hydraulic means you dark the triangular. Pneumatic means just you draw the triangular symbol in inside of the compressor. Thank you student. Thank you so much. Be safe. Thank you. Thank you so much.